My name is Valerie and I'm 7 years old. Today we're going to be making this ice cream butter slime. Let's go! I'm going to open this instruction. Here's the bowl and the glitters and this candy, glue, activator. Whoa, I never saw this before, lotion. And here's the cone, I think for this ice cream. Now look, it's ice cream. Now let me start making it. Use some glue. So now my mom needs to fill up this. So let me open it for her. Now my mom's going to grab it. So now my mom put that on. Now I grabbed my bowl.
You shake it?
And now I actually need to shake it. I think this is good, Mommy. So now I open up this. Bring on my spoon, and I will start mixing. And we'll just keep mixing.
This one's a lot better, especially. It's so hard to hold.
Comment down below the words that my mom just said if you could hear. I think it might need a touch or activator. What about you, Mommy? I've been mixing it for a while and it's like this. Do you think I need more activator?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whatever you think. You're the slime expert.
I'm going to only try it with one hand. The other hand I'm going to keep clean. I'm going to start playing with it. Mommy, would you mind putting a touch more activator? That's good. This is really hard to mix. Actually, Mommy, I do need some activator. That's good. Well, look how long this is. Let me just keep mixing. I think I actually might need to add a touch more activator.
Do you want to put the lotion in it?
Okay, I'm going to try putting the lotion. I didn't know it was going to come out that fast. Makes it like more white, I feel like, the lotion. I definitely know why, because it's literally white. I'm going to put a touch more. think it definitely made it a touch more stickier. And it definitely made it more white. I'm going to try mixing it again. Mommy, can you put some activator on this? Okay. So after this, maybe I can like put some food coloring. So Mommy, can you get the food coloring for me open? Oh, I didn't even know it had a bag already open. I know what color I guess it we want.
What color?
I want the like, which one's closest to pink?
What color is this one? This one's like chocolate. This
Actually,
one's
I want chocolate.
and this one's vanilla and this one's green. Oh, and you have some pink right there on the side there.
Wait. Yeah, it is. So now I'm opening this up. It's too hard, so my mom's going to do it.
Oof, very messy.
So now after this, I'm going to open up this and put it inside of here.